Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the vaccine vial monitors. So under this, first we need to know that the vaccine vial monitors, they are used to monitor the heat exposure of vaccines. So it is for the heat exposure of the vaccine. And it is a chemical indicator that records a cumulative heat. So it is a chemical indicator. So what does this chemical indicator do? It records the cumulative heat. So it records the cumulative. It records a cumulative heat and exposure. So it records a cumulative heat exposure, and this is through a gradual change in color. This is through a gradual change in the color. So basically, if the color of the inner square is same color, so the color, if you see the color of the inner square, okay, is equal to, is a same color or darker than the outer color, or darker than outer color. So we are looking at the inner square being same color or is equal to or it is darker than the outer circle. So what does this mean? So let's draw it down. So basically you'll have a circle. Okay, this is how the circle looks, and there is a box. So what they are telling is, if the color of the inner square is the same color or darker than the outer square. So this is same color. Okay, this will be same color as that of the outer, or it is darker. So in such cases, it means that it is being exposed to too much heat. In such cases, it means that there is increase in the exposure to heat. So what we do is we need to discard such vaccines. So it discard. Other points to note is there are 4 types of VVMs currently, that is vaccine vial monitors. So what are they? They are nothing but the VVM2, there's VVM7, as well as the VVM14, and then the VVM30. So these are some types. So they are chosen to match the heat sensitivity of the vaccine. So they are chosen to match the heat sensitivity of the vaccine. To match the heat sensitivity of the vaccine. So the VVM can be located on the label. So VVM is can be located in the label of the vaccine or on the neck of the cap. So neck or on the cap of the ampule or the vial, on the ampule or the vial. So other thing is that the VVM, it also helps. So the VVM, if you see, it also helps in the reduction of the vaccine wastage. So it helps in the reduction of the vaccine wastage, and this is by indicating which batch of vaccines can be used. By indicating which batch can be used. So this was all about the VVM, that is the vaccine vial monitors. To learn and grow daily, please do subscribe.